guys, today we're going to make ping pong in Scratch. Come on, let's see. Here you have these two sprites. First is this player and second is this ball. Ball you can just get from choose sprite. I took another here for the this player. I took another sprite and just morphed it a bit. So then you can just do that. Ball, you can use many other balls. For example, beach ball, baseball, basketball. It's your wish. And you can, I use button 2 here. And you can use any other thing. For example, you can even use button 3. And I just changed it a bit so that it would look like this. Looks nice. So first, this is the thing that you'd usually want here. So when flag click, set the stop point. I kept it to exactly negative 121. Okay, and point in direction 90. Reset this timer so that you can have a score, and set size to 50. 100 is a bit too large. Let me show. Look, it's a bit too large and we can't really do much. So it's best if we use it like that. Next, we have to do the movement. Movement I want to do right now. So you can just use this glide to glide in 0.5 seconds or something very little. So 0.005 seconds. And then here you can keep set x to exactly negative 80 or yes 80. So here you'll just stop us. So here you can just do this. I mean, like, you can keep this. Here you want it to move, so that means you have to use a mouse. You can even use arrow keys, but we're gonna try that later. So we have to, this stop point you can just take it out. End time is useful, and also you can just take out this timer. You can take it out. So you just have to take that out. You have to click on this. And also one more thing we should do at the starting is set end time to 0. Okay, glide in 0.05 seconds to x. This x should be, you have to go to sensing and then find mouse x. It's right over here in sensing in the middle. You can keep the x in mouse x, and here it will work. The next thing we have to do is the collision. So here you can see that we have this. The reason we are not getting any collision is because we haven't set it up for the ball. So it's basically just a piece of nothingness. So here we have this bounce thing. There's nothing. Can you guess what it is for? So we actually have to use this. Now, why do we actually want 354 to 6? Well, we're gonna use it since it's just direction. So in this ball, you can just change it from anything from 354 to 6. It'll point in that direction. So all we have to do is just click on these two, just connect them, and here we have it. So here, look, it works. By the way, we keep the stop point so that can stop at the exact time. Here, if y position is more or less than the stop point, then end time to timer, because we always reset the timer when we click on the green flag, and stop all. That means you just straight up stop. Here, this is just going in an infinite thing since there is no stopping. So here you can just play it like this, as you can see. This just goes on forever. It is kind of lucky if you can even hit it. So, nope. It's kind of hard to hit it since it will go anywhere it wants. You can even make it 2 players, so you can use left, right. But I won't be showing that right now. So stop all, yes. And after that, you just have to connect these two and suddenly this. Now we use this wait for 1 second so that we won't get overwhelmed. Move 20 steps is a bit too much, so I'd like to change it to 15. Then it would be easier to play. 20 was quite a bit harder, but due to because it's a bit too fast for most people, and especially since it would go like here, then suddenly come here. I do not know why. So here, be careful not to like keep it in one place, since it'll just bounce and jiggle here. See, for example, it comes back. See, it just jiggles like that. The reason is that the ball is just like jiggling since it's getting hit, so it has to change direction. Again, it has to change direction until it goes down or up. So it can even go up sometimes. So like that, if you jiggle, it can again jiggle and go up. You'd be lucky if that happens too. So whenever we do that. Next, we have the other part of the script. Here you can see we can use this piece of code, but we can even use other pieces of code. So we take two, or you can use one, since you can take two or four. If you want it to be easy to, if you want to use key up and down instead of left and right. For example, you're making two-player game, and then at the sides you can use it like that. But I'll be using these keys. I'm going to use WSD and the normal arrow keys. So we can do both of them in one script by using these ORs. So we need two ORs, and then go to sensing, get these keys. So get two for each, so four. You can just keep them like this. Don't change them right now. Like whenever you get them like this, and you want to have like more than, you can have four people and you're making this game, then you can just make sure that you can do this at the starting, since then it will be easier. So we have more of these, and now you can set them up. So first of all, A means to the left, and then B is to the right. To the right. By the way, if you want to do up and down, W is for up and S is for down. So then you just have to connect these. Just be careful. Click on the R part. Do this. Get these here, and then go to motion. We have to use the move 10 steps. So normally when you use the move 10 steps, it will go to the right. I'd like to keep this at 20. So you can keep it -20, so it will move to the left. So here we should keep one of these. So here you can play this. I lose there. I had a see. This is quite a bit harder. So I will keep one of these and one of these. So here I'm gonna post this game. One is for like moving using the mouse, and one is by using these arrow keys. So that's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.